Protecting and safeguarding the environment would be a personal value of mine, so it's great to see that it is reflected in Uisce Éireann's company values as well. Hi, I'm Isabel and I'm doing the Uisce Éireann graduate programme. The office is super accessible, it's right in the centre of town. There's lots of nice amenities around the place, there's a few nice places to go for lunch, for coffee.
There's a vast amount of opportunities with working within Uisce Éireann, especially in the graduate programme, where they have organised a lot of training for you into your professional development. Hi, I'm Ronan and I'm a graduate in Uisce Éireann. So as part of my last rotation, we actually went and visited Ringsend treatment plant. It's a highly efficient plant. When we go out there we get a site tour as well, so it's all explained very well. This here's our subsidised canteen. It's open for breakfast and dinner daily. They do really nice food here. This here's the water supply project. I've been working on this since September last year and mainly looking at the environmental impact assessments, so they have related it back to my degree and utilised me and the team as best they could.
An early careers committee that's been set up, we try to focus on social aspects. So in this case we're organising a beach cleanup to give back to the community. Yeah, the thing I love about Uisce Éireann is that no 2 days are the same. Like one day you're in the office, back-to-back meetings, and then on other days here we are on the beach doing a beach cleanup. There's such a diverse range of activities to get involved in. I find the work here really rewarding, especially at the end of the day, just knowing I can come home, that I've worked hard and that it's for something that really and truly matters.